হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, তো সায়েন্সের অনলাইনে নিয়ে আসলাম আজকে আবার একটা। তো আজকে সায়েন্সের 100টি কোশ্চেনের মতো নিয়ে আলোচনা করব আমরা। তো এই 100টি কোশ্চেন আজকে দেখে নিই। তো চলো শুরু করে যাক। ইম্পর্টেন্ট ওয়ান লাইনার জেনারেল সায়েন্স, দ্য টেম্পারেচার অ্যাট হুইচ অল সাবস্টেন্স হ্যাভস জিরো থার্মাল এনার্জি। জিরো থার্মাল এনার্জি কততে হয়? তাহলে -273°C হয়। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন্স, any substance which when added to a reactions alter the rate of reactions but remains chemically unchanged at the end of the process is called এটাকে কি বলে? catalyst. Next questions, the study of the interrelations of animals and plants with their environment is called ecology. environment দিয়ে যারা রিসার্চ করে তাদের কি বলে? ecology. Study of insect is called entomology. Next question, number 5. Unit used to express the focal power optical lens. তাহলে পাওয়ারের ইউনিট কি হবে? Dioptre. Next question, the velocity that a body with less mass must achieve in order to escape from the gravitational attractions of a more massive body is called escape velocity. Laughing gas is chemically known as nitrous oxide. Next question, the blood vessels carrying blood from the heart to various parts of the body is called artery. Nine number questions, the distance travels by light in 1 year is called light year. Number 10 question number, the rate of change of positions of the body with respect to part in a particular respect to time in a particular directions and its a vector quantity is called velocity. Question number 11, an organism which derives its nourishment from another living organism is called parasite. Question number 12, Newton's which law states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force applied and take place in the directions in which the force act? Newton's second law. Number 13, which is the world's first manned satellite? Sputnik-I. Question number 14, which planet is the brightest of all the planets? Venus. 15 question number, small pieces of solid matter which are found scattered in the inter-planetary space of the solar system are known as meteoroids. The largest gland in the body which is dark red in color is liver. Inadequate secretions of insulin hormone causes with which disease? Diabetes. Question number 18, common cold, influenza, chickenpox and measles are causes due to attack of virus or bacteria. Answer is virus. Next questions, in which atmosphere layer are the communication satellites located? Ionosphere. Question number 20, the scientific principle behind fiber optics is total internal reflections of light. When we wind a watch, which energy is stored? Potential energy. On which phenomena the process of dialysis used on patients and affected kidney is based? Osmosis. When a pitch of ice floating in a beaker of water melts, the level of water will rise or fall? Remains the same. Question number 20, energy stored in a dry cell is chemical energy. Question number 27, when a cricketer low hand while catching the ball, its shapes him from injury due to conversions of momentum. Full forms of AIDS: acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, substance produced by microorganisms that kill or prevent growth of other microorganisms is called antibiotics. Substance which react with acids to form salt is called beaker. The ancient oriental order of growing trees in dwarf form is called Bonsai. What is the unit of heat? Kilogram. The ability of a body to resist tensions or compressions and to recover its original shapes and size when the stasis is removed is lost. The negativity charges particles which revolves around the nucleus of the atom in certain orbits is called electron. Question number. The branches of biology dealing with the study of heredity is called genetics. Question number 27. Kwashiorkor is caused due to the deficiency is the protein. The branches of science which deals with the study of the natures and properties of light is called optics. Question number. The scales used to measure the magnitudes of earthquake is called Richter scales. Question number 41. The heat required to raise the temperatures of 1 kg of substance through 1 degree Celsius is called specific heat. Question number 42. The speed greater than the speed of sound is called supersonic speed. Question number 46. Volatile substance that's incapacitates for a time by powerfully irritating the ice, provoking tears is called tear gas. Who is the inventor of the dynamite? Alfred B. Nobel. Who is the discoverer life in planet? Jagadish Chandra Bose. Question number 46. The unit used to measure loudness of sound is decibel. Question number 47. The small part of an element that can take part in a chemical reactions is called atom. Question number 48. Substance used for destroying or stopping growth of microorganisms in living tissues is called antiseptics. Question number 49. Water that does not form lather with soap easily is called hot water. Question number 50. The lines drawn on maps joining the place having same barometric pressure is called isobars. 51. Lymph differs from blood is not having red blood corpuscles. Universal receivers can receive blood from O groups, A groups, B groups, and AB groups. Question number 53. Study of grass is called agrostology. Study of tumor is called oncology. Whose physical property will be unaffected with increase in quantity density. Question number 56. Velocity of a body is rate of changes of its positions in a defined directions. True or false? Question 57. Which law is involved in the fact of cleaning a carpet by batting it with a stick? First law of motions. Question 58. When the lift is going down with uniform accelerations, the apparent weight of a man in a life is more or less than his real weight, at least. Question 59. A person presses the earth least when he is lying on the ground, while spreads over the surface of water because oil has less surface tension than water. In high mountainous regions, bleeding through nose occur because the pressures of the blood in the capillaries is higher than the outside air pressures. Why does a man wake more at the poles than at the equator? Gravitational pulse is more at the poles. Question number 63. The body weight more in the air than in vacuum. The true or false? False. Question number 64. A gas will behave as an ideal gas at very low pressures and high temperatures. Ology is the branch of science dealing with the study of birds' eggs. Question number 66. Why does a drop of liquid assumes a spherical shape? Because its shape has the least surface for a given volume. Question number 67. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. True or false? True. Work done against frictions frictions is positive or negative? Negative. When cream is separated from milk, the density of milk increases or decreases? Increase. Question number 70. A diamond is harder than the graphite due to difference of the crystalline structure. Question number 71. Which combinations of colors is the most convenient during day and night? Red and green. Question number 7. An instrument that measures and records the relative humidity of air is hygrometer. The difference of different states are due to the variations of temperatures. Question number 76. Which is left when an hydrogen atom loses its electron? A proton. Question number 77. The fundamental scientific principles in the operations of a battery is oxidation reductions. Question number 78. Which metal is used to galvanize iron? Zinc. Question number 79. The instrument used to measure the force and velocity of the wind is anemometer. Edward Jenner is associated with smallpox. Number 81. The scientist who explained about blood circulations for the first time was William Harvey. Question number 82. Benka Traman Ramakrishnan was jointly awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2009 for study of structure and functions of the ribosomes. Question number 83. Nitroglycerin is used as an explosive. Solar energy is due to the process of fusion reactions. এই কোশ্চেনটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। প্রতিটা পরীক্ষায় আসার চান্সেস দেখা যায় যে সোলার এনার্জি ইজ ডিউ টু প্রসেস অফ ফিউশন রিয়াকশনস। মনে রাখবে বন্ধুরা। তো ইন এ dry cell battery which are used as electrolysis, aluminum chloride and zinc chloride. Next questions. Permanent research stations of India in Dakshin Gangotri at located Antarctica. Next questions. Which type of waves are used in a night vision apparatus? Infrared waves. In order to stay over the same spot on the Earth, a geostationary satellite has to be directly above the equator. Question number 89. Water is used to cool the engines of cars, buses, trucks, etc. It is because water has high specific heat. Question number 90. Due to contract of eyeball, a long sight eye can only see further objects, which is corrected by using concave lens. Question number 19. The rainwater after 30 to 40 minutes of raining is not suitable for drinking because is it acidic. The refining of petroleum is done by the process of fractional distillations. Question number 93. If the body covers unequal distance is equal interval of time, then it is said to be moving with a variable speeds. Anything that occupies space and has mass or weight is called matter. Physical quantities which are completely described by a magnitude size alone are known as scalar quantity. The formations of compound by the unions of elements is called synthesis. Question number 93. Study of the amines and reactions of chemical elements and molecules in the universals and their interactions with radiations is called astrochemistry. Question number 98. The scientific value of fuel is expressed in the kilojoules per gram. Question number 99. The small DNA molecule that is physically separated from and can replicate independently of chromosomal DNA within a cell plasmids. Question number 900. Organic compounds prepared from the hydrocarbons obtained from the petroleum and natural gases are called petrochemicals. Birbal Sani Institute of Paleobotany is located at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 102. Organolysis, which is known as the power of house of the cells, mitochondria. Question number 103. Photosynthesis takes place maximum in red color and minimum in violet color. সায়েন্সে কিছু ওয়ান লাইনার কোশ্চেন্স। তো আজকে ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্তই। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব আর শেয়ার করে দিও বন্ধুদের সাথে।